Hello students, I am Amrit B. Today, once again in continuation with the previous two videos, we will be continuing with this topic of note making and summarization. I do hope you are keeping in touch with this concept of note making and trying to practice at home, as I gradually wanted you to reach the final stage, that is preparing notes in the formal way in which you are expected to attempt in your examination, right? So you can just have a quick look at the screen, the content that is being displayed, for a quick recap of what note making is, what is the utility of note making. You are to present the main idea of the notes in the heading, then you have to carry the subheading, then further points, that is the sub points under the subheadings for different paragraphs, and of course the indenting part that you have to follow. That is the format which I had shown you yesterday. I'll just quickly let you overview this content. This was the format: subheading 1, then this is after the main heading, right? So we have subheading after the main heading, then sub points for all those headings, right? Then now comes the next part. Now have a look here. This is just a sample passage for you to practice note making, right? Here you have to add the subheadings, sub points according to the length of the passage. So now first step is read. I'll just quickly go through this short passage for you. There is a very significant problem concerning the Indian society for which someone has to find a solution immediately. While millions of parents are worried about the future of their daughters at an age that blindly adapts to the Western culture, millions of parents of the cities find nothing wrong with it. The growing concern is if it is desirable our youth look like, speak like, behave like our American brothers and sisters. America is a glowing culture made collectively by Native Americans, Europeans, and Africans. Its culture is much more open than the culture of Asia, especially of India. In America, people are naturals inside and outside, but Indians prefer to be naturals only inside. The great American culture doesn't hide anything from the society, so many things considered taboo in India are quite child's play in America, Europe, no exception. Now see, this is just a short passage to be used as an example this time. Now the step 2. Come to the step 2. What you are required to do is, what is this article about? Think about it. This is changing trend in India. Then Indian parents accepting Western culture for the children. Indian parents not ready to accept Western culture for their children. Difference between Indian and Western culture: India is not very open, Western is open. So these are just the brief key points which have been discussed in this passage. Now your step 3 would be preparing notes, right? So remove as many words as you can. Now as you can see here, these are the notes that have been prepared. Changing trend in India, then, and please do note the abbreviations that have been used here, right? Now moving on to the next part. Here the key to the, now see, this is just brief because it has been used as an example here, and please make sure you follow the same format for notes as we discussed. I'll also be sharing a link to the PDF file just below the video in the comment section so that you can refer to it later on also. And plus you have a passage here in this document which you need to attempt. Now have a look at the abbreviations. You need to prepare a key to the abbreviation just like this in a box, where you mention on the one side the abbreviation and on the other side the word. You can also write the headings of these columns, abbreviation and word. Then comes the summary. As you can see here, this is a short summary of the content that was discussed in the passage, and the division of marks: content 3 marks, summary 3, 1 is key to the abbreviations and 1 is for the title. Now here, as you can see, is the question for practice. The passage is given here, right, in the end, towards the end of this document, and on the basis of this you have to prepare notes, supply a suitable title, use recognizable abbreviations wherever necessary. Then you are to write a summary of the passage in about 80 words. So this will be your home task after watching these 3 videos. So students, just for a quick recap, go through these points of how to make notes and what you are to avoid. This is the second PDF that I'll be sharing with you along with the video, right? So that you can just have a quick recap. Also, this document will give you the use of abbreviations as well. See how the abbreviations can be used, because actually the point is, let me clarify just one point which was, I suppose, not too much focused in these videos, the abbreviations part. Please don't neglect the abbreviations part as well. Out of 8 marks, 1 mark is for abbreviation, that is the abbreviation that you used and the word, the key to the abbreviations, the box that you have to make. So it is important. 1 out of 8 means something, it's a good percentage. So the second PDF here also gives you the abbreviations. Especially what I wanted to point out is the first PDF that I mentioned, that contains a long list of abbreviations. Now please take care of this thing, that you actually go through all the abbreviations mentioned in that PDF. The reason is, you will be familiar with the kind of words that you need to use, the words that you need to frame for the abbreviated part, right? And this was the point regarding abbreviation. Then of course the marking scheme, the key to the abbreviation that are to be done. This is summarizing. Now why this PDF is important and why I wanted to share this with all of you is, this is a solved example. The work of the heart can never be interrupted. This passage which you can see here, this passage is a solved example. What you have to do is, of course, go through the passage at one time. After that, come to the next part. That is, on the basis of this, you need to prepare the notes. The solution is given here. The short notes are given. Go through the notes. Please take care of the use of abbreviations. See here, you can have a look how the abbreviations are used, right? Moving on, next, the use of abbreviations in the notes. Next, this is the key to the abbreviations, right, as you can see on the screen. And after that comes the summary of the passage. So this is how you need to prepare yourself, you need to arm yourself for this exercise. Sufficient content has been covered in these 4 videos. I am pretty sure if you watch them once again for a revision and recap, you will be able to learn, you will be able to plug your loopholes and work on your weaknesses. I would also like to appeal class 12th to go through these videos for a recap and a revision of the same. And happy learning. You can most welcome share your doubts with me, and please do solve this exercise in the other PDF that I mentioned, the unsolved part. But before that, go through this solved aspect. So I'm sure it will help you learn a lot. Thank you. Take care.